Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Evolution Step 1, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of second-person pronouns. These small but mighty words help us communicate more effectively and create a sense of inclusivity and belonging. In this video, we'll dive into the plenty of examples of we, us, our, ours, and ourselves. Let's get started.
Listen and practice. Subject pronoun. We are going to the market. We finished the project ahead of schedule. We love to travel during the holidays. We play soccer every weekend. We need to study for the exam. We believe in the power of teamwork. We decided to adopt a pet. We enjoyed the movie last night. We are planning a surprise party for her. We should stay healthy by eating well. We visited the museum yesterday. We always support each other. We painted the house together. We have been friends for years. We are excited about the new project. Object pronoun us. The teacher gave us homework. The coach praised us for our efforts. Can you help us with this task? The neighbors invited us for dinner. She made cookies for us. The manager assigned us a new project. The news surprised us. The guide showed us around the city. He asked us to be quiet. The rain prevented us from going outside. Our parents taught us valuable lessons. The movie made us laugh. The book inspired us. The music moved us. The teacher chose us for the team. Possessive adjective, our car needs a service. This is our house. Our team won the match. Our family loves to travel. These are our favorite books. Our friends are coming over tonight. This is our school. Our dog is very playful. Our garden is full of flowers. Our project was a success. Our teacher is very kind. Our community is very supportive. This is our plan for the weekend. Our company is expanding. Our achievements make us proud. Possessive pronoun, ours. This car is ours. The decision is ours to make. The house on the corner is ours. This book is ours. The choice is ours. These seats are ours. The victory is ours to celebrate. The responsibility is ours. The honor is ours. The land is ours to cultivate. The idea is ours to develop. The problem is ours to solve. The credit is ours to take. The project is ours to finish. The future is ours to shape. Reflexive pronoun, ourselves. We must take care of ourselves. Let's challenge ourselves to do better. We enjoyed the day by ourselves. We should be proud of ourselves. We cooked the meal by ourselves. Let's remind ourselves of our goals. We need to believe in ourselves. We found the solution ourselves. We taught ourselves how to play guitar. We should treat ourselves with kindness. We made the decorations ourselves. We can push ourselves to achieve more. We managed to finish the task ourselves. We enjoyed the quiet evening by ourselves. We should motivate ourselves daily. In summary, second-person pronouns such as we, us, our, ours, and ourselves are essential tools in our language toolkit. They help us express collective action, ownership, and relationships, making our communication more inclusive and clear. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these pronouns, the more natural they'll become in your speech and writing. Thank you for joining us on English Evolution Step 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Happy learning!